Differences between sauerkraut and yogurt. Both sauerkraut and yogurt are rich in probiotics and beneficial for gut health, but they differ in origin, types of bacteria, nutritional content, and how they are consumed. Origin and production. Sauerkraut, made by fermenting cabbage through a process called lactofermentation. The naturally occurring lactic acid bacteria converts sugars in the cabbage into lactic acid. Yogurt, produced by fermenting milk with specific strains of bacteria, typically Lactobacillus bulgaricus and Streptococcus thermophilus. 2. Probiotics and fermentation. Sauerkraut contains a variety of naturally occurring probiotic strains which can vary depending on fermentation conditions. It offers strains like Leuconostoc, Lactobacillus, and Pediococcus. On the other hand, yogurt contains more controlled strains, usually Lactobacillus and Bifidobacterium, which are specific to dairy fermentation. 3. Nutritional content. Sauerkraut, low in calories, rich in fiber, vitamins C and K, and antioxidants. It's a good option for a plant-based diet and also has minimal fat. Yogurt, a good source of protein, calcium, vitamins B12 and D, especially when made from whole milk. Contains fat, varies depending on type, and carbohydrates from lactose. For consumption. Sauerkraut, typically eaten as a condiment or side dish. It has a tangy and sour flavor and is often added to salads, sandwiches, or served with meats. Yogurt, consumed on its own or in smoothies, desserts, sauces, or dips. It has a creamy texture and can be sweetened or flavored with fruits. 5. Health benefits. Sauerkraut, rich in fiber and antioxidants, it supports digestion, boosts the immune system, and may help reduce inflammation. Yogurt, promotes bone health due to its calcium content, supports gut health with probiotics, and can aid in muscle repair thanks to its protein. Key differences. Plant-based versus dairy. Sauerkraut is suitable for vegans, while yogurt is dairy-based, though non-dairy yogurt alternatives are available. Probiotic diversity. Sauerkraut has more diverse and naturally occurring probiotic strains, while yogurt has controlled strains.